Hello everyone, I'm Joyce from HANTEN CNC. Today I will talk about our handheld laser welding machine with you. We will further discuss the composition, application, operating cost, and how to choose a suitable laser welding machine. First, the components of the laser welding machine. The working principle of the laser welding machine is to use a high energy density laser beam as a heat source to melt and connect the materials. It mainly consists of the following components. Number 1, laser source. The core of the laser welding machine, the energy generating component, is similar to an automobile engine. It plays the role of the power system. There are 3 power levels: 1500 watts, 2000 watts, and 3000 watts. The higher the power, the higher the welding efficiency. Number 2, welding head. The function of the welding head is to change the laser from the initial point into a line or other more complex patterns. Its feature enables more efficient laser welding. It is similar to an automobile driving system. The welding head is divided into a single pendulum and a double pendulum according to a structure, and the function can refer to the 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive of the automobile. The single swinging laser offers more models, but the gun head is larger, the structure is more complex, and the cost is higher. Number 3, wire feeder. When welding thinner materials or larger gaps, feeder wire is required. The feeder wire material must match the base material. For example, stainless steel requires stainless steel feeder wire. Number 4, laser chiller. Since the laser generates a lot of heat when working, in order to ensure that the laser welding machine can run stably and for a long time, an efficient water cooler is needed to dissipate the heat for the laser and welding head. When choosing a water chiller, please pay attention to whether the power system in your country is 5 Hz or 16 Hz, which is very important. Second, what can the laser welding machine do? Handheld laser welding machines are mainly used for welding some common metals, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, iron. Typical industry include the door and window, manufacturing industry, PPI production industry, adjusting industry. Compared with traditional welding methods, laser welding has beautiful welds, no need for grinding after welding, and laser welding machines are easy to operate and maintain. However, some high reflective materials such as brass or welding with a thickness of more than 7 mm is not suitable for this laser welding machine. Third, the operating costs of the laser welding machine. In addition to the cost of the machine itself, a laser welding machine also has the following operating costs. Number 1, protective lens. The protective lens prevents smoke or impurities generated during welding from entering the inside of the welding gun. The replacement frequency is about 3 to 5 days. The pieces is about $5 to $8 per piece. Number 2, protective gas. Protective gas is also needed during the welding process. On the one hand, the shooting gas can blow away the smoke and the metal splash generated by welding, and on the other hand, it can also provide oxidation of the metal welding part. Its best shooting gas is intergas such as nitrogen or argon. The cost of shooting gas can be consulted as a local service provider. There are also some wiring parts such as nozzles and other lens groups. Although the replacement frequency is low, it is recommended to choose some extra spare parts when purchasing a laser welding machine. Fourth, the choice of power. So, how should we choose a suitable laser welding machine? It is straightforward. You need to match the appropriate power according to your welding material and thickness. Please refer to the figure below. By now, you will probably gain a basic understanding of our laser welding machine. If you'd like to learn more details, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly.